Imagine transforming your daily workflow with the power of Microsoft 365 Copilot. Welcome to Smart Tech Learning's MS 4004 course. Empower your workforce with Microsoft 365 Copilot use cases. This course has been created for business users ready to take efficiency to the next level. Course level: beginner, role, business user. Course duration: 1 day. In just 1 day, you'll explore how Copilot integrates seamlessly across Microsoft 365 apps, helping you work smarter, not harder. This program focuses on both foundational learning and targeted use cases, ensuring practical relevance for every participant. You'll start by discovering Copilot for Microsoft 365, how it works, where it fits, and how to unlock its full potential. Next, you'll learn effective prompt creation and best practices to maximize results. The journey continues as you uncover ways to optimize and extend Copilot, including plugins and graph connectors for enhanced productivity. Practical hands-on exercises are at the heart of this course. You'll tackle real-world scenarios for executives, sales, marketing, finance, ET, HR, operations, communications, customer service, and legal. Each use case is designed to demonstrate how Copilot supports everyday business tasks, guiding you through workflows in apps like Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. To enroll, you'll need access to a Microsoft 365 subscription with Copilot licensing, plus a OneDrive account for collaboration and sharing. This ensures you get a realistic, hands-on experience. Why choose Smart Tech Learning? You'll gain the skills to empower your entire workforce with Copilot for Microsoft 365. Boost productivity, streamline operations, stay ahead in today's fast-moving business world. Ready to take the next step? For more information or to book your course, visit smarttechlearning.com or email info@smarttechlearning.com. Unlock the future of productivity with Smart Tech Learning.